Hey everyone, this is Thomas Thibodeau with Keffer Mazda here in Huntersville, North Carolina, and I have been transferred down to Mazda about 2 or 3 weeks ago, so I wanted to get a little bit more familiar with the product before I made this video, and this is showing how to use the Mazda Connect system. So if you're not familiar with that, that is your command center down here, as well as your touch screen up here. Now the thing is that this touch screen, sorry, I'm trying to move forward, shift the sheet forward. This system, this touchscreen doesn't work when you are driving more than 5 miles per hour. It automatically turns itself off. So the very first thing I'm going to show you how to do is go to the Bluetooth section. So if you hit home, which is the middle button, communication, we're going to hit the center console. It's going to ask to connect a phone. So I'm going to hit connect. I'm not going to pair it, but it's going to bring everything up. So you can see Bluetooth, add new devices. So I'm going to scroll to the right to add new device, and then it's just going to walk you through the process. So you can see now to go back, there's two options. I can either, well, three. So I can either hit the back button. It'll go back, see where it goes into settings. See, I can move this to, it pushes over to the left to bring that up, to bring to that section, or I can hit home, audio. Now there is no navigation in this unit because it is a sport, but you can always upgrade it. It's around $405 or so. I would ask your dealership specifically, so that way they know. And then of course I can hit the audio and it'll bring up the audio commands. So that is essentially how you use the Connect system to pair your Bluetooth. Also to use this section down here, it works the same way. So you see this is your next section. So if you have presets or tuning avenue, if you hit the tune itself, this will give you your tune dial. I like 106.5 here in North Carolina because it's alternative. Of course, you can scan HD radio channels, favorites, which is your pre-select, audio memory. Now, if you do have your Bluetooth hooked up, you can always access Pandora, Stitcher, Bluetooth, all that stuff. This is a Mazda 3 Sport, so there's no XM. So, alrighty, thank you so much.